Oh, I think I lost my way, but got you to help me back. Tell me what I should do now. Every time I'm feeling down, you can make it go away. Your light is shining bright on me. Got no reason to be afraid. You're glowing in the dark. You're glowing in the dark. Glowing in the dark. I feel it in my heart. You're glowing in the dark. Glowing in the dark. Yeah, you're glowing in the dark. You're glowing in the dark. You're glowing in the dark. Glowing in the dark. Glowing in my heart. You're glowing in the dark. Glowing in the dark. Yeah, you're glowing in the dark. I showed you a little sand wall yesterday. Well, this morning, look at this. Last night the waves must have been smashing up and over, and the water even got up here. Amihan is coming. I'm expecting to see this a lot more over the coming months. The water possibly coming all the way up to this level. Anyways, a couple guys are actually out there trying to surf. It's pretty gnarly, man. There's some good waves, but there's also some whitewash and backwash and just unique vibes. I figured this morning I'll give you a quick update on some things on our area so you can see what we've been up to. Whew. So welcome. Such a fascinating experience seeing everything change day by day, and especially week by week. Let's go up top. First things first, watch your bare feet when there's tools around and nails. This isn't a good idea. Second thing, I used to have to balance here, but now there's floorboards everywhere. I can run around. Okay, you'll notice there's two sides up here. There's this side I'm standing on, and that side over there. It's not gonna look like this when it's done. We have something happening on each side. Can you guess what that is? Also, the middle here, big open space. We have an idea. Can you guess what we might be putting here? I love reading your ideas or guesses. I think it's so much fun. I also do know that a lot of people, you know, make comments about things wondering why. So for example, there's a roof here, and I read some comments before about how it's overlapping this roof. We're actually going to be placing a giant gutter system that we have planned. So everything we're doing is 100% with a local family, and they're amazing. They're doing so well. They're really friendly, really cool. They work hard, and you know, it feels good to be supporting them as much as they're supporting us. We also have friends who are engineers who are checking up on our project. So I'm expecting a lot of things to go great, and a lot of things to also need additions or improvements in the future. But all in all, how cool is it having something come together? It's exciting. Let's go over there and let me explain a bit about this. so proud of this Agdao for being here. It's gonna stay here. It's gonna be part of this kind of outdoor concept CR and shower area. 2 CRs, 2 showers. And the one thing that's really cool is we built everything up here. So the floor is actually gonna be here, which is possibly, I don't know, a meter or a few feet higher than the septic tank over there. And that's to feed all the pipes down to our septic tank that's under the main structure right here, you can see. Big PVC pipes. One thing I just want to say, we put the septic tank over there because we wanted to save space, and this big thing in the middle has no water, no septic, nothing. It's just basically over top of it, and we've raised it up and left a lot of room and good space to pump it out. So that's why we did that, and I'm excited to see this area come together, especially with the magic Agdao. The forever... Oh, it smells good, man. Gonna make our bathroom smell good. Over here too. If you notice, this area is kind of clear. We're thinking about throwing down some Bermuda grass or some sort of cool grassy area here so you can hang out, keep your feet clean. This whole section in the future. Look at Ati's gardening. We're not plantitos here, but I'm happy we have a plantita working with this family because she's done all this cool kind of planting. Okay, I think that's about it. Just a few updates what's going on. I love reading your ideas and suggestions and comments. Let's have a good day. It rained all morning. It's about 1 p.m. in the afternoon. Cateel Pabasha, and this is the seawall or the bay walk. I had to go to town, guys, and I had to get some things for our land. Kumar actually went this morning. This is a constant Monday to Friday. One of us is going back and forth. We're just picking stuff up, bits and bobs we need for construction. But rather than just come to town and have a rainy day, I've decided I'm gonna go running at the seawall. That's why I wore my Joggers Club outfit. Let's go, let's be healthy. That was awesome. If you have the chance in the Philippines to go out at 1:30 and do some exercise, go and do it, because usually it's way too hot. Today it's cool and windy. Let's get a drink and let's go explore something. Okay, I've decided to go somewhere I've already been before, but not in a long time and haven't really featured for a while. But there's kids playing stuff, oh my gosh. Oh, okay lang? Watch out. Ayos? Ah, bahay kubo. Bahay. What happened? So I got distracted. The kids are playing with their chinelas, bahay kubo. Really fun game. Okay, gonna head off into a rural area of Cateel rather than the coast to check up on something, and I want to go for a swim. Here we go. Aliwagwag Falls, Cateel, definitely one of the most epic falls in the Philippines and probably the world. Just look at it. I hope the drone gave you some perspective on how massive and long this falls is. Off the top of my head, I can't remember, but I think it could be 87 or something, all the way up and into the mountain there. This place is truly iconic, not just in Davao Oriental, but in the Philippines. As of right now, you're gonna see, as I hop over here, Aliwagwag is temporarily closed. It's been closed for months now due to COVID. You can't actually go in and hang out. A lot of people will come by. You can stop on the bridge, take a look at it. It's stunning. It's Cateel. What do I mean by that? Well, before moving here, this is basically what I thought Cateel was. This incredible waterfalls. Can't stop looking at it. But the thing is, if you've looked at my videos or posts over the past 4 months, I've never once featured this. I've never really shown this, yet I've been having an absolutely beautiful experience here. I've been finding so many beautiful things. It's a lesson, you know, to me and hopefully to you watching this, that when we hear of places and we think of beautiful spots, you know, there's always so much more. Yes, Aliwagwag is iconic in Cateel, but it isn't Cateel. You know, the amazing selection of fish, the friendly locals, the Mandaya Kamayo language, the other waterfalls in the barangays, the huge stretches of beaches, the turquoise water, the dolphins. I could go on and on and on. Cateel, yes, it's Aliwagwag, but it's also so much more. And I just wanted to come here today and share that with you because it's something I've learned over the past 7 months in the Philippines. Not 7 months, 7 years. You know, going to 80 provinces is never just go to the CCAT place and think that's it. Because there's always so much more. And in fact, you might just find even, you know, places that you appreciate even more than the iconic areas. I have to say, here in Cateel, Aliwagwag is obviously the most iconic and stunning, but you know, again, so much more. So yeah, woo! A few more drone shots. What a waterfalls. I'm gonna head back, find a snack. I just wanted to share those thoughts with you. Always look for more in the Philippines. Always look for more, because you'll find out what a place truly is. So emo. Why are you so emo? Where have you been? What happened to you?
Things have happened. I went for a trip. I went to go and sort some things out and...
Okay. You know what's cool?
Yes.
Remember the first guy who ever worked on our land, who worked with you before?
Yes.
What's his name?
His name is Manong Titi.
His name is Manong Titing, and he has become the most dangerous coconut climber / tuba harvester in all of Cateel. Kuyaw! Okay, Gayo! What's up, bro? remember sa una? I think opat kabulan sa una. Ang first time magtanawa ka, magtrabaho, mag-video, no? Okay lang, Karan? Okay, Raf. Pites. Kumusta ang tuba?
Okay lang ang tuba.
Okay lang? Sige, Pites. Ayos. Kuyaw ha. Hinay-hinay. Hinay-hinay, Manong. I'm not even joking. Every day now, the first thing I'd say when I see Manong Titing is, oh, kuyaw, kuya. Hinay-hinay lang. Taasa, taasa.
And then I sneak in the back, pass, kusog ng dagan.
Anyways,
Yes.
I never had any snacks today because I don't know.
I had snacks.
Yeah.
Because I'm fat.
You're not fat.
just
No, you're just happy.
just happy. I just don't care about my...
Anyways, Commander's back. I'm
Yes.
here. Manong Titing is such a nice guy over there. Really awesome. He works a bit here at Mom Rose's place now. And this has been just a spontaneous life video. Hopefully I find a snack. Hopefully I can end this video eating something.
Snack. Me and John D ate the mango floats earlier.
No, the one left? Are you serious?
Yes. I didn't know it was
Oh no! He ate, I really just wanted a snack bread and he ate the last mango float.
It's John D's.
Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Bye-bye, mango float.
Pandi Coco.
Wait, what's it here?
Pandi Coco.
Let's see. Agikan.
Bikiri, of course.
Is there cocoa in the pan?
Pandi Coco. Oh. Diba?
I think the cocoa is geeking
Pandi Coco.
the tree.
It's really good.
Dude, super good. Which bakery?
Pandi Panni.
Andi panni.
I know this is just a random life update video, beautiful waterfall, Cateel, but let's end it with a positive happy birthday message.